What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money from the UK or England to Pakistan using TapTap Send. So let's get started. Now first off, if you just created your TapTap Send account, you can get some free funds by using a promo code from the description below. So you can just input that promo code right here and then get £15 or euros on your first transfer with TapTap Send for completely free. So now let's go back to the tutorial. So to transfer money from the United Kingdom to Pakistan, you would first need to select Pakistan in this selector menu right here. So just scroll down until you can see Pakistan right here. Now, after you selected Pakistan, you would just need to make sure that your address is correct. So as you can see right here, I have euros because I'm in the EU. But if you're in the UK or England, you would just need to make sure that you inputted a UK address so you can send pounds. But now let's go ahead and input the amount of funds that we want to transfer to Pakistan. So let's say 20 euros. And now just go ahead and tap next. And on this new selector, you would just need to select add new recipient, as it's the only option that we have. Now after this, you have a few different options that are available in Pakistan for a recipient. So cash pickup, bank account, Jazz Cash or Easy Paisa. Now for this example, let's say that you would like to send some money to a bank account in Pakistan. So I will select bank account. Now on this screen, you would just need to select bank account information of that recipient. So first let's select a bank, let's say Allied Bank Limited, and then you would just need to copy paste a bank account number or IBAN, international bank account number of a person that you're sending money to. So once you input that over, you can tap on check details. After that, if all the details are correct, you can just connect a card or select a payment method, which can be a card or a bank account that you connect to TapTap Send, and after that you can just confirm the transaction. From there, your money will be transferred to the bank account in Pakistan that you selected. And it's pretty simple. So that's guys how you can send money from UK to Pakistan using TapTap Send without any fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.